This is our Unit 9 Algebra Factoring Part 2 worksheet, part of the Target 2 homework. Number 2, we know that the first number we see in the expression, 5a squared, is going to break down into its factors, which are 5a and a, or 5a and 1a. We know from the structure that we have a negative 60, and that's going to break down to factors. So we need to organize what that looks like. That could be negative 6 and 10. It could be negative 4 and 15. One of them has to be negative. It could also be positive 6 and negative 10, or positive 4 and negative 15. So 4 and 15 is 60, 6 and 10, 3 and 20, 2 and 30, 1 and 60. But I usually start with some of the numbers that are smaller, so not the 20, 30, 60. So I'm going to try negative 6 and 10. And since I wrote it down as negative 6 and 10, I'm just going to try that first. So negative 6 plus 10. Again, I'm just writing down in my parentheses the first pair of numbers that I had to see what happens. We know that the two blue numbers are going to multiply to give you 5a squared. I can double check that my red numbers, negative 6 and positive 10, multiply to give you negative 60. And then I need to check to see if I can come up with a negative 44 by doing the outside numbers and the inside numbers. That's what you would have done when you distributed. So negative 6 times a is negative 6a. 5 times 10, 5a times 10 is 50a. And so if I add those together, or 50 minus 6, negative 6 plus 50, I get a positive 44a. Now I want a negative 44a, but the 44a that I got is at least a really good step in the right direction. What I'm going to have to do at this point is change my negative 6 to a positive 6. So I change the first parentheses to a plus 6, and my positive 50 that I got here in purple to a negative 50. So I change this a plus 10 to an a minus 10. If I do that, then I have positive 6 minus 50, which is negative 44, which is what I want. So my answer is 5a plus 6 and a minus 10. So if you get the same number but the wrong sign, positive 44 instead of negative 44, your strategy should be to change both of your positive and negative signs, and then it should work.